Hello student, now I start exercise 5.2. I have already introduced some definition in introduction of chapter 5, ray, transversal line, intersecting lines. Okay, so now I start question. First is state the property that is used in each of the following statement. Okay, if first is angle, if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 is equals to angle 5. So given A and B are parallel, then angle 1 is equal angle 5 by the, if two line angle A and B are parallel, it means both lines are parallel and this is a transversal. Suppose I let it is P, so corresponding angle 1 is equal angle 5 by the definition of corresponding angle. Corresponding angles में आपका this angle is equals to this angle. Now second is if two parallel lines are cut by the transversal, each pair of corresponding angle are equal in measure. Okay. Now second one is if angle 4 is equals to angle 6, then A and B are parallel. Okay. If angle 4 is equals to angle 6, then A and B are parallel. Why? Because angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angle. Okay. Alternate interior angle. When a transversal cut two lines such that pair of alternate interior angle are equal, then line have to be parallel. So both the lines are parallel. Now third one is if angle 4 plus angle 5 equal 180. Okay, angle 4 plus 5 equal symbol है. Okay, यहाँ पर then A and B are parallel. So if angle 4 and angle 5 is equal, then it is in corresponding interior angle. Okay, corresponding interior angle. So when a transversal cut two line, then the pair of interior angle on same side. So क्या है, what is interior angle on same side of transversal are supplementary. Supplementary means 180. So both the lines are parallel. Now question number second is in the adjoining figure identify. What identify? First is the pair of corresponding angle. Pair of corresponding angle is what? Angle 1 is corresponding to angle 5 and angle 2 is corresponding to angle 6. Angle 4 is corresponding to angle 8 and angle 3 is corresponding to angle 7. So first answer is okay. Now second is the pair of alternate interior angle. Okay, क्या find करना है आपको? Pair of alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angle is what? Angle 3 and angle 5 cross x आपको let कर लेना है. Okay, so 3 and 5 is alternate interior angle pair and 2 and 8. Okay, so pair of alternate interior angle is 3, 5 and 2, 8. Now third one is the pair of interior angle on the same side of transversal. Pair of alternate interior angle on same side of transversal. So same side of transversal is what? Angle 3 is equal, angle 8 and angle 2 and angle 5. Okay. Now fourth one is the vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angle is what? Angle 1 is equals to angle 3, 2 is equals to 4. Equal it means pair आपका है ना, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 to 7 and 6 and 8. Okay. So these are our vertically opposite angle. Now question number third is in the adjoining figure P is parallel to Q, find the unknown angle. आपको unknown angle it means A, B, C, D, E, F की वैल्यू आपको find करना है. Okay. Now आपको given है P and Q's are parallel and cut by a transversal this. Okay, this line is transversal. So we know that because देखिए ये आपका ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है. सो सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज 180. सो 125 equal 180 by the linear pair. So E is what? 180 minus 120. So we get 55. So now again E and F are vertically opposite angle. Okay, because two line are intersect. So it is vertically opposite angle. So angle E is equals to angle F. So F is also 55. Okay, vertically opposite angle. Now A is equals to F because alternate interior angle. F and E आपका same two parallel line given है और transversal है. So E और F आपका क्या होगा? Alternate interior angle. So A and F also 55. Now A plus B equal 180. A plus B equal 180 by the linear pair. Sum of two angle is 180 degree. So what is value of A? 55. So 55 plus B equal 180. So B equal 180 minus 55. We get 125. Now A is equals to C because vertically opposite angle. Okay? And B is equals to D. It is also vertically opposite angle. So what is the value of A? 55. B is 125. C is again 55. D is 125. E is 55 and F is 55. Okay? Now question number 4 is find the value of x in each of the following figure if L and M both are parallel lines. Okay, आपको x की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है तीनों फिगर्स के अंदर. Now first one is L and M are parallel lines and T is transversal and this angle is 110 and what is the value of x? Now L and M are parallel and T is transversal. So interior vertically opposite angle between L and T is 110. So 110 plus x is what? 180 by the definition of supplementary angle. Sum of two angle is 180. Okay. So x equal 180 minus 110. So we get 70. Now second is what? If L and M are parallel and T is transversal. So what? देखिए आपका ये वन स्ट्रेट लाइन है. सो सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज व्हाट? 180 बाय द इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल. ओके, एल एम आर बोथ पैरेलल देन ट्रांसवर्सल. सो दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल इज इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल. सो x plus 2x equal 180. So 3x equal 180. So x equal 180 upon 3. So we get equal 60. Okay. Now third is L is parallel to M and AB is also parallel lines. Okay, AB is what? Also parallel line. So what is the value of x? See, in same parallel line, angle between same parallel lines is, so angle it is 100, so it is also 100. So answer is what? X equal 100. Okay, so x equal 100 by the definition of corresponding angle. Now question number 5 is in given figure the arm of two angles are parallel if triangle ABC equals 70. Sorry, एंगल है आपका हो ना, ये ट्राइंगल नहीं है. एंगल ABC is equal 70 degree. Then find first is angle DGC and second one is angle DEF. Okay, so solution of first is given AB is parallel to DE because arm of two angle are parallel. Okay, so and BC are transversal because these two line is parallel, so it cut by a transversal BC, and angle of ABC is what? 70 degree. So this angle is equals to this angle by the definition of corresponding angle on same side. Okay, so angle of ABC is equals to angle of DGE. So what is the value of angle of DGE? It is 70. Now second is if BC is parallel to EF and D is transversal and angle of DG is what? 70. We find in question number first. So this angle is equals to also this. So angle of DG is equals to angle of DEF. So what is the by the definition of corresponding angle? So what is the angle of DEF is also 70 degree. Now question number 6 is what? In the given figure below decide whether L is parallel to M. आपको चेक करना है कि किस कंडीशन में L and M both are parallel lines. So first is what? Sum of two angle is 180. Sum of two angles. So 126 and 44 is 170. So L is not parallel to M because sum of co-interior angles should be 180. If sum of these two angle is 180, then we can say L and M are parallel. But here sum of two angle is 170, so it is not parallel lines. Now in second, this is 70. This is a line L is parallel to M and this is a transversal. So it is it is vertically opposite angle. So 75 plus 75 we get 150. So it is not parallel line because it is not obey the property of parallel lines because the sum of two angle is not 180. Now third one is 57 and 123. Now 57 and 123 we get 180. So by the supplementary angle property of supplementary angle property, this is both L and M are parallel because sum of 2 is 180. Okay. Now fourth is sum of 98 plus 72 we get 170. So L is not parallel to M because sum of angle does not obey the property of parallel line. पैरेलल लाइन्स की प्रॉपर्टी में आपको टू एंगल्स का सम 180 कंपलसरी है. अगर सम 180 होता है तभी टू लाइन्स आर बोथ द टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. ओके, थैंक यू.